भर्गं हवामहे कविं कवीनामुपमश्रवस्तमं ज्येष्ठराजं ब्रह्मणां ब्रह्मणस्पत आनशृण्वन्नोतिभिस्सीदसादनम् ॐ श्री महागणपतये नमः। सरस्वत्यै नमो नित्यं भद्रकाल्यै नमो नमः। वेदान्त विद्यास्थानेभ्यः एव च। प्लीज रिपीट। सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्परां। श्रुतिस्मृतिपुराणानाम् आलयं करुणालयम् नमामि भगवत्पाद शंकरं लोकशंकरम्। Please chant the Shanti mantra. Please repeat. Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. First mantra. ईशावास्यमिदगं सर्वं यत्किंच जगत्यां जगत् तेन त्यक्तेन भुञ्जीताः मा गृधः कस्य स्विद्धनम् कुर्वन्नेवेह कर्माणि जिजीविषेच्छतगं समाः एवं त्वयि नान्यथेतोऽस्ति न कर्म लिप्यते नरे। अगेन कुर्वन्नेवेह कर्माणि जिजीविषेच्छतगं समाः एवं त्वयि नान्यथेतोऽस्ति न कर्म लिप्यते नरे। न कर्म लिप्यते नरे। We saw that in the Shanti mantra, the whole world is nothing but the self only. In the first mantra, the first line of the first mantra is the goal of all seekers, which is the internal renunciation, the perception of the oneself and the falsification of the non-self. That is called inner renunciation of all seekers. Second line of the first mantra is the way to it, which is called external renunciation. And this external renunciation is, what is this external renunciation? External renunciation is the renunciation of the minus and I-ness. starting from the outside world. That means I am not putting any possibility also that I can be attached. The second line, therefore I gave it the word Vividisha Sannyas. Therefore, this first mantra is very strictly, if you say, this is for sannyasis. So why they keep away from attachment? They don't like to live with somebody because they keep away the possibility of getting attached. The possibility itself has been taken away. So they can be like that. Yes, they have trained their mind to live in such manner that externally also they are not answerable to any person or any work. World and situation are not attention demanding. So there is no worldly duties towards family, children, job. Then what is their duty? Their duty is just to think on the first line. They have dedicated themselves to one thought and realization of that thought. That is the second line. Dedicated themselves to realization of the thought. Which thought? The oneness of the self. That is the only action. They don't have to purchase vegetable. They don't have to drop children. They don't have to serve father and mother. They don't have to pay taxes, going to the SARS in which there is no SAR, and or going for marriages, going for funeral, going for Mundan and Chatti, and going for Sat Narayan Katha. There is no such duties. They have kept their life very, very safe. That I don't want, and therefore they go out of a particular family system. Because if you are taking from the family, you have to give it. And they warded off, they don't want to live with a particular person. They are not committed to live with a particular person, which is called sannyas ashram. They are not in grahastha ashram, you have to live with a particular person. You like or you don't like. You have to live in a particular house. You have to live in a particular office. You have to earn in a particular way. But they say, why they have to do that? I will come to it. But in this kind of, these are two lifestyles, two mindsets. They are so much after renunciation that they say, I don't want to be answerable. I can live with minimum needs. And my need is confined to the bodily need. I don't want good food. You give me minimum food to sustain my body. I don't want good house. I want minimum house to just sleep. I don't want any recreation. I just want a secluded environment where I can just contemplate, meditate and think and just dedicate myself. I'm not going to live with any particular person. I have no problem with living with people, but I'm not answerable to any person. I won't send birthday messages. Or I will not go to the funeral in Shivanand Ghat and celebrate, or mourn, not celebrate, sorry. And sometimes truth comes by mistake. And mourn there and cry. So sannyasis are not supposed to go to the funerals. They are not supposed to attend marriages. So they have chosen a lifestyle of minimum bodily needs and ward off all attachment, so that all attention, all energy, all time can be focused on maintaining one thought of Atma. So scripture says, if you are really serious about it, I think you should be so that people can understand you are only meant for this, and they should not expect anything from you. And you also should understand what is your purpose, and I think you should go and take a proper dress also. And that dress is called the sannyas dress. So when a sannyasi is known, people will understand what to expect. And sannyasi also will understand what people expect from me. I should not go here and there now. I should not go and run business. Or I should not go and involve in family matters. Or I cannot go and marry now. It's over now. This is your lifestyle. Nobody forces you. It's your own choice. Depending on that. That means what? I am committed. I am repeating it. Please don't understand. Don't misunderstand. I am repeating it. I am repeating it. It is a commitment to a particular higher thought, which you maintain, generate, sustain by Shravan, Manan and Nididhyasana. And this is called Vividisha Sannyas. Therefore, sannyasi is 24 hours. You can't take out the dress at some other time. You can't be in shorts in the night. Such sannyasi should be beaten and thrown out. You don't have any other night dress. You can't do anything else. You can't have anything else. You can't have okka jeans and pant. It's not possible. It's a sign that you have no other goal. And no ashram belongs to you. No temple belongs to you. Or sun lo achhe se aap. And no place belongs to you. Ashram also, yes, ashram also is not belonging to you. No money belongs to you. No work belongs to you. You have no other agenda only. Okay, this is the meaning of sannyas. I hope it is clear. Not that who is doing something else, then he is not a sannyasi then. It is only one way. From grahast you can go to sannyas, but sannyas you can't go back to grahast. It is one way traffic. You can't do anything else. I hope this is clear. This was in the first mantra, second line. So first line was Vidvat Sannyas, second line is Vividisha Sannyas. Okay, understood. I am very clear, I think. You need not repeat, it's clear now. Second shlok is for the one who cannot pursue the first kind of sannyas. Only I don't think so I can leave everybody. I have my enjoyership. I like to be with people. I like fame. I like to have married life. I like small children. I like good food also. I like to move around in Europe and in America. I like some kind of pleasures also. I like good kind of people around. I get infatuated by somebody. Yes, it is my nature. You can't drop it at will. Oh no, I don't think so. I am ordinary mortal. You cannot live at a secluded place. I don't think so. I am not fit for that. I appreciate it a lot, but I don't think so I am meant for it. Like fame also, of course I like to be famous. Meditate, I can't meditate. I can see people sitting in meditation, but I can't meditate. I'm a very emotional person by nature. If I cry, I keep on crying for few days. Acha. Acha, the tears just trickle down. Whole body is wet. Water problem can be solved in Cape Town if these salinate my tears. So I am quite emotional. I want a physical company, in short. I want somebody to talk to me, love me, ask how are you, listen to my poems, silly poems that I write. Poems also you write? Yes. There was a sky which was blue. One line is over. Second line, in the sky the bird flew. Second line is there. Third line, in the bird was a feather. Fourth line, the feather broke. The feather falls and falls, it never reaches. Who will read all these foolish things? I want somebody not only hear but to appreciate also. You don't believe, people have told me all these things. I want to be somebody who gives me importance. I cannot accept. I feel very lonely at times, Swamiji. I feel I'm lonely. I'm a loner. I feel whom to share. I want to share my emotions. I'm quite a person. I'm extrovert slightly. I want to hear music, jazzy music. I like films also at times. अच्छा हाँ दिल दे चुके सनम, all these things I like, ऐसी है ना कोई फिल्म? अच्छा so I like to see all these, then she starts getting married. I want to get very involved. Who is getting married with whom? Who is there? What is he doing? I want to go through all these, and I really get very interested in it. I really want to go into parties. Of course, I attend the spiritual life also. I can attend classes also. I will give bhiksha also one day. So I like to do spiritual work also. I like your classes. I like your sense of humor. All these things I like. So this also I like. So both sides I like. I can't leave. I'm sorry. But this the first I'm not qualified. You have to marry. Of course, I want to be married. I want to go gradually. After 20, I will come into sannyasa ashram slowly, but I am not fit for it right now. I can't just change the clothes. I like good clothes also. I like nice clothes, nice ornaments. I like people to see and say how you are looking good. All these things I like. Then you go to the second mantra. I have a chance. No, of course you have a chance. Why are you worried about it? You have a chance. I'm not so bad also. I'm a little bad. I have certain vices I can't tell you. But but second mantra is for you. What is that says? Kuruvan. Very important mantra. Kuruvan neve karmani jiji vishet shatakam samaha. देखो कितना अच्छा मंत्र है. What it says? Jiji vishet. Jiji vishet means you should desire to live now. Don't desire to die. Well, I think I should die. Don't get so depressed. Anyway, you will die. Don't worry. Don't take somebody else's work in your hand. Don't interfere in Yamraj's department. Don't interfere. So Jiji Vishet, how long? Shatagam Samaha, 100 years. Samaha means Varshani, Samvatsaraha. Samaha here means rather means some. Some means you should desire to live for 100 years. Complete life you live. Jiji Vishet, Shatagam Samaha. Ta is here, Chachoti. So Shatagam Samaha. Acha, haan. How you should desire to live? Kuruvan Neveha, by doing the actions. This is the second lifestyle. First is highly renunciate. Doesn't want fame, name. Second is highly involved. Right? Getting my point? Don't forget all these points. You have to make Upanishads very interesting. And it is interesting. You have to only catch it. Acha, Kurvanneveha karmani. By doing action. Anyway, I am doing action. No. Not any action you are to do. Then here karmani means dharm karmani, nitya karmani, upasana karmani. Dhyan dena, it's very significant term is there. Upanishad won't say that which you are already doing. Upanishad won't say eat food daily. Anyway, instruction is given about that which is not, we are not doing. When you get up in the morning, open your eyes. This is not the instruction. This instruction won't be given. When you open your eyes, pray to the God. This instruction would be given. Oh, yes. So karmani here means upasana karmani. You do surrendered action. Very important and very serious matter is there. If you understand this, you will find yourself in a comfortable place. What is there? Look, we all are in the world working. Working for what? Bhokta. We are employers. Employee. Employee? Of which office? No. Wait. Employee of a boss. His name is Bhokta. Bhokta. Bhokta means enjoyer. Acha? I want to enjoy sun. This is one enjoyer of sun is there. And therefore I want a son. Acha? What about daughter? No, one son, one daughter. One son I want, one daughter also I want. Brilliant. Acha, not like you. No. So I have a bhokta of having son, bhokta of having daughter. Acha. Bhokta of having a good son. Yes, he should study well. He should, go to the school. He should score high. Ultimately, he should go for a good job. Acha? Yes, he should have a name. I should go when he is getting awards. Who? Your son. Oh, my son should get award in the schools and people should come and congratulate. Well, your son. Excellent. When I go to the teachers' meeting, they should just say, wow, what a son you have. It is not S-O-N, it is S-U-N. It illumines the whole college, I want to hear all these things. Nobody wants a foolish son, for your information. They are like that, that's what by chance. But we don't want like that. So we want somebody, some intelligent son I want. It's a good looking son also we require. Not that any son. I want a good looking son also. The daughter I also want. I'll marry with all the pomp and show. I want to get her married. Who? That one daughter which I will have. I want to marry her from Hyatt Hotel. Not from Kendra Hall. No, this Kendra Hall is too much. I want to give a proper meal. Not this biryani is going. This is too much. Biryani and this salad and then beans curry and then suji. This is too much. I just can't see it now. I want to give total spread. Where? In a hotel. How old is your daughter? Yet to be born. So this is a bhokta. I tell you, you don't understand. When these boys and girls meet, they have not yet got married. They are in 10th class. They start talking about such things. I have heard. They have yet to be married also. They are just meeting and talking, and they talk such thing, how many sons and daughters we have. I didn't know because I never talked. I heard from others. Well, acha, you hear all these things? Yes, they only tell me. Then I understand. ऐसा भी होता है भैया. Then this is a bhokta. Then देखो एक भोक्ता हो गया, दो भोक्ता सुना दिया आपको. Third bhokta. I want a good mansion, good house I want. Acha, balcony should be there near the sea beach. I should just see the sea. I should sit on the top of the balcony with the saucer and cup, of course with the tea, not empty, and I sip it. One biscuit I take, 2 biscuits along with the tea. I dip it in the tea and then eat. and sometimes it is too much dipped, so biscuit goes inside. So I, I want to see the sea, the breeze all around, the birds flying like this, and some kind of ship is coming here and there, and the waves. Sometimes I put on Bermuda and walk also. This is all my hobby. Bermuda, understand, no? There is a half pant in 5 people can fit. So one leg is like a stick. Actually, there 5 people could have put on that. I have never put all these things by God's grace, but I want to enjoy it, you somewhere in the, somewhere in the apartment, inside, nothing is there, no air, nothing, 1 room, 2 room. I want a luxurious house. I want a cutleries, not 1 or 2 dishes. I want a good cutleries around. ये another भोक्ता है. आपको बता रहे, आप समझो इस बात को. फिर भोक्ता is there. I want to be famous also. My photograph should be with film stars. I should put with the film stars in my drawing room. Politicians. This is with Modi ji, this is with this, this is with this, this is with this, this is with Aishwarya, this is with Kareena. So this kind of photographs I want. This is with Amitabh Bachchan, this is this. So all photographs, I want them to be with me. I want to be known figure. All them out of figure, but I want to be known. I have to want a good lawn around me also. I'm very fond of gardening. I like flowers. अच्छा? Yes, I like flowers. आपको बता रहे, I'm not joking. This is you see on yourself. अच्छा, what is the later? I like grands. I like small children. I'm a child lover. अच्छा, I want small children. I like grandson to be. 2-3 grandson playing around, saying dadi, 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 nani, nani. I like all this. It jingles, sounds like jingles around me. Dadi kahan gayi? Dadi no. So I like all these things. I like to change nappies, etc. It's not a difficult thing for me. ये भोगता है और सुनो भोगता की कहानी. ये कहानी खत्म नहीं हो रही है. अच्छा, I like to travel a lot. I like to go in the plane. I like window seat, Swamiji. I like to see how the plane takes over. Zzz. I like the plain food. I am very lover of plain food. I love the plain food. When they ask, give me hot, cold, I like everything. I like to travel long distances. I like to sleep in the flight. I just like traveling all long distances. London, I want to go put on big coat. I like snows around me, falling. Snows. All around snow falling and I'm putting on all these things. It's my hobby to go out like that. इतना भोगता है आपके. I like satsang also, not that. देखो, चुप रहो. So much when you have bhokta, then you are totally unfit for number 1 lifestyle. Are you getting my point? No? Because only one thought he had. ये तो totally unfit है. बेचारा कहेगा तो such people if they come they say please can you post me in some foreign country. Some brahmachari comes. Well, can I get foreign country? Can I go to travel somewhere, Swamiji? If I become Swamiji, I will get lot of traveling, no? मारेंगे पकड़ के तुमको. स्वामी बनना है तो इसके लिए मत बनो तो स्वामी. You should marry and go. Mission will not give you money for traveling. No, mission won't give you. No. What for mission will give money? Nothing. It will not give any money to you. Hey Swami, you don't get any money. 0 money we get.
Money is not for traveling, etc. Then money you give so that you give back to the mission. Why? North-west wall has to be repaired. You don't get any money for anything. Then what shall I do? Another seeker comes up. He said, but Swamiji, I don't want all these things, but still there's a lot of pressure inside. Karma Yoga is a means to sublimate the unwanted enjoyers. I don't want to have ahankar, but I have. I don't want to that I should be important, but I feel I am very important. ये seeker है देखो. Difference between seeker and sansari is that this seeker has a pressure, but he doesn't really want it. He wants to sublimate his enjoyer. I hope you are getting my point. Why? Because he realized sorrow is nothing but unfulfilled enjoyers. What happened really? Really that wife which comes doesn't give me tea also. Really could you go to foreign country? Nothing in the bus I travel, forget about plane. Really there is a lawn outside your house. There is no lawn. Then, there is no lawn, straight away road comes. I am so frustrated. All sadness is because of unfulfilled, wounded enjoyers. If anybody you want to make him sad, I'll tell you what to do. Well, you are in the to tell how to make happy or sad. No, wait. If you want to make anybody sad, just find out what is his unfulfilled desires and bring it out. Supposing he doesn't have a son or daughter he wanted. So don't do anything. Just ask how many sons you have. बस ऑफ हो जाएगा आदमी थोड़ा सा. Just find out what he wanted and he could not get it. उसका जो दर्द है ना, that pain that he had, it will come out. Well, I wanted such a nice daughter-in-law, बाप रे. But who had come? अरे बाप रे, सूर्पनखा अवतार है. So सेवा करती कुछ? सेवा? अरे भैया सेवा छोड़ो, सर पे चढ़ी रहती, सेवा कहाँ से चढ़े? दिन निकल जाए बड़ी बात. Scriptures discovered that your aim in Karma Yoga is to get out of this wrong, selfish, anti-God, anti-scripture, anti-guru enjoyers. They are villains of your life. They are disturbers of your life. What shall I do? Good. You should try to live so that you can sublimate those enjoyers. But I can't stop myself. My thought flow is too high. I don't want it. Wait, hold on. There is a procedure. That procedure is called Karma Yoga. Please be very, very careful. It's a very serious topic. While interacting in the world, don't have a lifestyle so that you gather vasana or impression of too much goodness of somebody. I wanted him. He is good. Very good. Be good. No problem. But I want you for myself. Bas, this is your problem. This mic is good. Very good. But wherever I go, this mic should be there with me. This is a problem now. Anything I want for myself, this samskar of wanting something for specifically for myself, this is the hunger of an enjoyer. So, positive or negative enjoyers, I desperately want to live with you, or I desperately cannot live with you. Both positive and negative enjoyers. I'm repeating it. I just can't live with this person. I have to live with. I like somebody is one thing. I like him. You like him? Yeah. But I want to talk to him. Every day. Every day. I want to see him every day. This is another matter. That person I like. I like his ways. It's natural. You like him? Ah, he's very good. But I can't live without talking to him. This is now, it has become a disease now. Incident has become accident now. Where you are feeling and you have lost control over certain thought. About I liked him, a thought comes about him. But I can drop that thought at will. Hey, I'll not think on this matter. Why? Another work is there. This is one thing. What happened? That thought comes, I can't get out of it. What he will be doing? Where are you? Arey, your work is there. No, but I can't focus now because of you. This has become a disease now. Getting my point? Positively or negatively? I don't like that person. Okay. But I can't get out of his thought. Why he saw me like this? He. Who? He. I can't get out of this. Arey, but you are there for puja. I can't do puja. What you did? I extinguished the lamp. Why? That person is coming in my mind. Where to go now? I'll take bath. By taking bath, that thought won't be washed. I hope you are getting my point. So there is urgency of enjoyment and urgency of repulsion towards somebody. So that you are around the mental cage. Please talk to me. Please. Now I'm busy. Please, 1 minute. 1 minute can't you give me? I am busy. I am sitting with my boss here. Your boss and you go to hell, okay? I'm very angry now. Mobile also broke. What happened? Arey, that it cracked. Earlier only mine was cracked, now mobile also cracked. So, I'm very angry today. Why? He did not mean. And I'm waiting whole day seeing my mobile. He will be calling me. From 7 o'clock to 5 o'clock I'm waiting for him to call. He did not call. I did not take food because he didn't call me. I also will not call him. Then I SMS the message. I am waiting for your call. He saw and did not reply. This is the worst matter. Now it has become. Now earlier it was a little less problem. Now more problem is there. You see blue tick. Arey, blue tick is there. Blue tick is there. Why he is not replying? Let me call. I called him. He did not believe my call. 15 missed calls. I have gone through all these things. One day opened 15 missed calls. पागल होगा कोई. Then I don't call back. इसकी आदत लग जाएगी ऐसे लगाने की. If I call back, he'll be habituated to getting my calls then. And expect all the time. I don't want to make any habit of anybody. I don't reply to many messages. Don't expect all the replies all the time. So blue tick is equal to reply. Unless some matter is there. I'll say okay. Are you getting the enjoyer? Like this we have many. Positive and negatives. Matter is serious. Why? One or two will come and create havoc now. You will be under pressure. Then what will happen? You will suffer. And one enjoy will make you go here and there. It will make you go to Europe. Europe? 300,000 I accumulated. Bekuf Ram took a flight from Johannesburg. Then he went to London. 10 hours, na? London 10 hours. From Johannesburg. How long? 9-10 hours. Gochu. He went. Took one hotel. Too cold, I put a dress now. There I went. Then from the same money, I just went for some dinner. Where? In the hotel. Non-veg was there. I am a vegetarian, but somehow I managed. अच्छा, हाँ. Then I wanted to go to Scotland also, Birmingham also. भोक्ता तो देखो इनका, मरभुक्के का, भिकमंगे का. फिर वहां से वहां चले गए, वहां से वहां गए, फिर उनसे मिले, फिर he went to that cathedral and saw and had photo and selfie like that with the cathedral. Who is making you run? After 2 weeks, 3 weeks came back, घर के बुद्धू घर को लौटे, फिर चाइट्सवर्थ में आ गए. 702 में आ गए फिर से, और रिजर्वायर हिल में आ गए. किसने इतनी मेहनत करवा? अरे यार, आई वॉज रॉब्ड. वेयर यू आर वर्थ रॉबिंग? यू नेवर गिव एनी डोनेशन, यू आर वर्थ रॉबिंग. सो वेयर आई वॉज? इटली. There I wanted to have idli and I didn't get idli. Where? In Italy. I thought it has connection with idli sambar, but there was no connection. They robbed me. No money was there. Where? There I will never go there. ऐसे ऐसे हम लोग की जिंदगी बीत जाती है भोक्ता को आंसर करते करते. कई इसीलिए ओल्ड पर्सन इज मोर सैड बिकॉज मेनी डिसकंटेंटेड इंजॉयर्स आर देयर. Young person is still happy, go luck. But 50-60 many disgruntled enjoyers. Grandson मिला नहीं आया, grandson ही नहीं हो रहा उसको. Daughter is such, she married and ran away. अच्छा, what about the son? He is searching for the job. He applies but there is no reply. So all unsatisfied enjoyers are sitting now. मरो तुम इसके साथ. I feel very lonely at times. Lonely is nothing but dissatisfied enjoyers are there. It is not a lot of people there around. You go to that satsang, this puja you do, that puja you do, still lonely. Scripture say hello. Hey भैया इधर आओ, बैठ जाओ. क्या करें? I want to get out of this. What? Not the world. Is outside thoughts, inside thoughts. Have a lifestyle which is anti-personal enjoyer, which is anti-selfishness, anti-God, anti-Guru. क्या करें हम? What shall I do? How to get out of it? Good. I want to get out of it. How? I'm telling you, don't howl. I'll tell you. Make God important, Guru important. Then do for them. What they are? If they are happy, I am happy. If they want to keep me here, love has a very big power. So if they want to keep me here, I don't want to go anywhere. You want to get married or I don't want to get married, unmarried. Whatever my Lord wants, I will do that. Who is important now? Lord. Who is important? Guru. These enjoyers get little sublimated. You want to see countries? I want to see God, Guru happy. हमें और कुछ चाहिए ही नहीं. देखो क्या चेंज आ रहा है. I don't want. What do you want? I want to see my God happy, Guru happy, my Antaryami happy, conscience happy. You keep me in a hut, you give me a minimum food, I am happy with it. इसी को कर्माणी बोला है. दिस इज सरेंडर्ड कर्माणी. धर्म कर्माणी है, नित्य कर्माणी है, उपासना कर्माणी. What life you are living? I am not living for personal gratification. Let me make it clear. You want fame, name, clapping, nothing. I want that desire to die if it is there. Let it die. I don't want to live for myself. Enough. I know how much problem I created for myself. Just now I want to full stop. You want to fame? Now I want to see my Guru famous, Lord Ram famous, Lord Krishna famous. Let everybody know him, not me. See, that attitude is changing now. A very big exponential change in attitude and thoughts are there. This is called, now you are going, but not for my personal enjoyment. I am not creating an impression of somebody in my mind. I am getting out of my other impressions. So VP is reduced. Vasana pressure is reduced. Not BP. VP is reduced. KP, calm pressure, is reduced. What you want? Knowledge. What you want? Satsang. What you want? Ramayana. What you want? Guru Seva. What you want? Puja. Wah bhai wah. Kyo? I think there is more joy in that than this. You want to play with the grandson? No. Then I want to play with Lord Krishna. Krishna Lila ho jaye aaj. Whole day I can pass listening to Satsang Swamiji. Very good. Whole day. I just want to make Lord happy. This is called lessening of sakam karma. It has not become zero, but amount has decreased. It was 90%, now it is gone to 70%. I used to be angry for 2 days, now I am angry for 1 day. Still I am angry, but now it has decreased now. I used to miss someone, now I explain my mind. I am fine after some time. The time of coming back is little faster now. There is a change in me. I hope you are clear. Still I will marry. Then marriage will be for serving the Lord. I met one couple who said, I told you also, who said, I am marrying so that when I am not there, my wife can serve. And when the husband went to the office, he sent the wife to the ashram, do all cleaning work, see the bookstall. I am not marrying for myself, I am marrying so that 2 people can serve. One boy came, he said, I have to earn a lot. Millions I want to earn. I said, why? He said, ashram, lot of money is required, I will donate maximum amount. ये भाव हो जाता है. ठीक है? Getting my point? So, एवं त्वयि नरे एवं त्वयि, in the human being, evam tvai sati, in you being so, na karmalipyate, you are not attached. Attachment means what? Gaining a samskar of strong enjoyership and hatership with somebody is called attachment. फिर से सुन लो. Again I am repeating. There is nothing wrong in liking something. Everybody will have something, everybody will like something in food. No problem. Everybody will like somebody. No problem. Right? Everybody will like some season. No problem. Some place. No problem. But when that vasana increases so much that I cannot live without it and I'll die and I'm feeling depressed, then it has become a disease. Everybody does not like certain food. Never mind. Will you like this food? Although I don't like it, but I can eat it. It's fine. It's not that I can't eat it. I don't like that person too much, but I think I can live with him. It's not that I can't live. You can live, comfortable, This is called still I am not attached. Attachment is not a physical phenomena. Attachment is a erroneous mental imagination of sense of joy that he is very important, positively or negatively. Negatively also. I can't take him anymore. I just want to run from this place somewhere. I want to hit him one day. I want to kill him. This is called attachment. So, the second lifestyle is made on the Karma Yoga, that is called, you are mainly focused on spiritual lifestyle. You can live in palaces also. Please understand my point. You can live in mansion also. You can live in riches also. You can live with husband, wife also. Attitude towards seeing a person is different. Attitude to understand, no? Push-ups you do, push-up. You know push-up? What? Huh? Pressam? No, when you lie down and you do push-up, again you get up. Huh? So this is the hand, and again you do like that, again you get up. Again you do like that. Quite difficult, not so easy. I don't do all this thing. What is the difference between Sashtang Pranam and push-up? Huh? Huh? Only difference is of the thought. In push-up you are doing for your body. 5 times. 6, 7, 8, 9. Huh? People do take 40, 50 also, I've heard. Huh? Pagalon kya kami? So, 70, 80. And Sashtang Pranam? I am yours. God protect me. Tameva Sharanam Gaccha Sarva Bhavena Bharata. In South India, they do Sashtang Pranam when they do Namaskar. Bhagwan Ram was doing Sashtang Pranam to Dashrath. Ab kya hua? I still am living with house, with people, with money, with luxury, with everything is there. What is a bhav? Bhav is they are not for me. Dhyan dena, please be very, very careful. It is not so easy topic to understand. Karma Yoga is very easy to listen upon, very difficult to practice. What? He is not for me. Not for me. This person, house, then for whom? This is for my Lord. I got a son, but I will train him so that he can serve my Guru and Lord even when I leave and when I am not there. I don't want him to serve me. I don't want my house to be for me. My house should be a satsang center. When I pass away, it should become a satsang hall. Don't tell to others, they will ask when you will pass away. So this should be for you. Whole thing is for, not for me. This person is very good, not for me. When in Janakpuri, Ramji was going. Ramji was very beautiful and handsome, as you know. Extremely beautiful eyes, very beautiful gait was there. The very movement and hands, legs, everything was charming beyond proportion. When he walked, all the girls of Janakpuri saw, unmarried girls. And when they saw him, they didn't feel, if I could marry him. They didn't feel like that. They felt, I think, he should be for Sita ji, not for me. Getting my point? This is called purity. Only this is for Sita ji, not for me. Well, what about you? Well, I'll be here only. We'll serve Sita and Ram. Not for me. Clapping, not for me. Don't give clapping to me. Praise, don't give praise to my Gurudev. What are you doing? I am sublimating my urgent enjoyers. Highly demanding, irrational, illogical, sharp, erratic, misunderstood, hungry, starving desirers and bhoktas enjoyers. So long sentence. I am treating my highly starving, angry, erratic, urgent, sharp, hurting enjoyers. By what? By this lifestyle. Only how long I have to practice? It depends upon that desire. If somebody asks, how long will it take to clean the room? So the person will ask, how big is the room? How much is the dirt? कोने को बोलेगा नहीं 2 days. No, let me see the room first. Then only I can decide. Some people ask me, Swamiji, how fast we can understand second chapter or Ishavas? I said, who? Who is the student? Show me first that person. Let me first talk to him, understand him, then I'll tell how long he'll take to understand. Oh, this person? Oh, baapre, 20 years. क्यों? नहीं है, दिमाग इसका अजीब सही है. Highly tamogunis person is there. This person, I think 3-4 days. His last words already he has listened to Upanishads. He has come in this world. He is a pure mind. Oh, हाँ, ये उसको तो मंत्र पढ़ेंगे तो वो झूम जाएगा. क्यों लगेगा सुना सुना सा लग रहा है उसको. We can make it out that he has already been initiated in the last birth. He was into it. He'll catch fast. Immediately he'll catch. Maybe he'll repeat the mantra without even telling also. I've seen such people. He need not be tutored to meditation. Why? He will be into meditation fast. पुराना meditator है ये. और इनका ये तो बैठ ही नहीं पाता, ऐसे से करते रहते हैं. Like a horse is there. He thinks he's on the saddle. कभी ऐसे करें, कभी ऐसे करें, ऐसे ऐसे. And they feel there is a spine is there, it is pricking inside. तो लगता है कुछ पीछे से गड़ रहा है, something is pricking from the back. ये मेडिटेशन, ये तो इनको लगेगा एक बार तो लग जाएगा, कम से कम बैठने में ही चला जाएगा इनका. ये बैठ ही नहीं पाते. This birth only he started meditating. This birth, when he was 42, he started meditating then. So it is not too late, but he will take time. Hope is there. Now, of course, hope is there, no doubt. Hope. Next birth तो ठीक हो जाएगा ना. हाँ, next birth तो he will sit straight. That spine problem will go away. We want everybody is not same, right? After going through this lifestyle, what happens? You have a subdued, surrendered, less demanding enjoyer. खाने में वो मिलेगा क्या? वो मीठा जो मिलता है नहीं. ओके ठीक है, सॉरी, नहीं मिला, कोई बात. क्या है? खिचड़ी. दैट टू विदाउट सॉल्ट. इट्स ओके. विदाउट सॉल्ट, हाँ ठीक है, इट्स ओके. You did the decoration, nobody praised you, it's okay. At least God was happy. No, I don't want my praise. हमें नहीं चाहिए, हमारा नाम मत लीजिएगा स्वामी जी. Don't take my name. But you are insulted, it's okay, it's fine. Why? Because ego is less, so there is no taker of the insult. There is no strong receiver of the honor also. If you receive honor, you have to receive dishonor also. Crest and trough will be of same size. Crest itni hogi, trough itna nahi hoga. If crest is also, the trough also will be like that. Subdued, surrendered, less demanding, enjoyer. What happened? Disturbance is not there. Why? Don't want it. This is called nalipyate. Training to the mind. Evam tvai. Na evam tvai nare sati. Nare evam tvai sati. Got my point? I have a son. He doesn't serve. It's okay. नहीं चाहिए. It's okay. Fine. I'm happy. I don't want. Why? I have bigger joys available. पूजा से तो फुर्सत नहीं, कब हम बात करें उससे. Whole time goes in Parayan, Narayan. I am doing 9 days Parayan. 2.5 hours goes. Sometimes 3 hours goes in Parayan only. I don't have time to meet son, grandson, etc. I now hope they are not coming. अच्छा, अरे पारायण में सारा टाइम निकल गया हमारा. And I'm a slow one. Sometimes I take 3.5 hours. Sometimes I sleep on the Ramayana only. So I fall on the Ramayana. Then I get up with the Ramayana. अच्छा, हाँ, आज तो पूजा बहुत लंबी है, आज करके आ रहे हैं अभी. अच्छा, every Tuesday I do Sundarkand 2 times. Oh, 2 times you do? Wow, हाँ, 2 times I do. Morning also, evening also. Morning I have done before satsang. No time. But your grandson's, first birthday is there. Huh? It's okay, I'll go for that. I go for 1 hour and come back fast. I don't have a strong, urgent, erratic, mad, hungry, starving enjoyer. I have enjoyer. It's not crazy. वो नहीं है, वो enjoyer नहीं है. I get sad sometime, come back. Why? God has to be happy. I don't want. What do you want? Him. Priority change? Yes. बोले गुरुदेव, हाँ, is there any other way out other than this 2? No. अन्यथा ita nasti. Ita means other than this. अन्यथा nasti. There is no other way out. Any shortcut? Any bypasses? Any over, what is it called? Over bridge which is on the now? Flyover. Sorry. Some tablet if I can take, or somebody touches me, I can just go in meditation. Sorry. Some kind of quick, some yoga I do, some fast power yoga, etc. That will act your body. Some Kapalbhati, it will make your stomach okay. Not the mind. No. Some pranayam, anulom, vilom, bhastrika, etc. Nothing will happen to the mind. Same rut will be there, nut mind will be there. I jog every day, treadmill. You will be physically fit. No problem. Physically you may be better if your prarabdha is there. Mind will be same. If I take some prasad, etc., no, that is good, but mind won't change. You have to change this attitude. You have to do this problem. I want to go to the first one. Huh? Oh, तुम बड़े आदमी बनना चाह रहे हो? हाँ. First one. What? Second line of the first mantra. अरे इसको तो पास करो पहले तुम नाराज होते छोटी छोटी बात पे. So strong भोक्ताज आर देयर. इसको तो क्रॉस करो. हाँ, yes, you are right. पहले तो विदिशा संन्यास के पहले तुम पहले कर्मयोग क्वालिफाई करो. You want to do PhD, you are not passing metric only. You first pass this. I think you are right. I'll try. Good mantra is there. Again see, Kurvanneveha karmani jiji vishet shatagam samaha. Commentary of this is 3rd chapter of Gita, of this mantra. All Vedas have come in Gita only. सुन लो इसमें क्या है. When your enjoyer of satsang is more demanding than enjoyer of worldly thing, enjoyer of selflessness is more demanding, enjoyer of puja is more demanding, enjoyer of bhakti is more demanding, then you become quiet. नहीं मिला, कुछ नहीं, कोई बात. So you get out of ahankar, rag, dvesh, kam, krodh, irsha. All have lost their fang. They jump, but they can't do too much. They fizzle out. You have this lifestyle. We'll see more.